So the police there using water cannons to trying to disperse the protesters. And in fact, I can see in those visuals the Delhi BJP chief also, on the barricades there, trying to break down the barricades as they march towards the Aam Aadmi Party office there. And dramatic visuals there, how the police are using water cannons to disperse the crowd. Ishika, if you can hear me, go ahead.
In fact, Vedant, first let me show you the dramatic visuals that we are getting you from here. BJP is in fact holding a protest, and now in fact, the water cannons are being used in this protest on these protesters. In fact, you can see how they had reached the last barricade, and that is when the police here, the heavy police deployment that was here, after that it was decided that the water cannon will also be used. We are continuously showing you the dramatic visual. You can see even the Delhi BJP chief, Viren Sachdeva, on the barricade here, and they continue to protest. They continue to protest against the Aam Aadmi Party government, the mayor, Arvind Kejriwal, the chief minister, and also Atashi. They say that why in fact the action has been taken so late. In fact, it has now come at a cost of 3 students, losing their lives, and this is when the Aam Aadmi Party government has now woken up. But why couldn't it be taken before? But you can see the very dramatic visuals that we are getting you from the streets of the national capital. The political drama here over the Rajendra Nagar unfortunate tragedy continues here, because in a short while from now, Vedant, we are also expecting that the Aam Aadmi Party is also going to hold a protest, and similar scenes are going to be witnessed, because the Aam Aadmi Party, on the other hand, continues to blame the Lieutenant Governor. They say that the government is unable to take action on the officers because they come under the Lieutenant Governor, and they also in fact say that the BJP was in fact in the MCD for the last 15 years, and why at that time no cleaning was done. But on the other hand, BJP says that no such incident took place in their tenure. So the political back and forth, Vedant, between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi continues, but the responsibility, as we were talking, the accountability is yet not fixed. Over to you.
Right, Ishka, extremely dramatic visuals coming in there as the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP continue to face off over the Delhi coaching centre deaths. But as you're reporting, the Aam Aadmi Party is also likely to hit the streets. But the MCD has now taken action as well, with the bulldozers reaching the coaching spot there, and also several top officials being suspended as well. Ishika, if you can hear me.
As you rightly mentioned here, now we are seeing that the MCD is taking action one by one. We first saw that how in fact, the basement of 13 coaching institutes were sealed, and now in fact the bulldozers in fact have already reached the Rajendra Nagar area, where we are getting to know that the encroachment drive, in fact, the demolition drive is in fact underway. They are in fact, MCD goes on to say that they are going to remove the encroachments. And another major action that now has been taken by the municipal commissioner is that 2 officers, that is a junior engineer and also the assistant engineer, has been suspended. But what in fact, the people, the students, the parents, what they are questioning here is that why was this action taken so late? Why did the MCD wake up now after 3 lives of students were lost? And that is what we are seeing here, the BJP holding the protest over that issue, and very dramatic visuals, Vedant, that we are getting to you from the streets of the national capital. Water cannon being used in this protest. BJP says that they are going to continue to hold protest over this matter until and unless they get a resignation and in fact an answer, a satisfactory answer from the Chief Minister, from Atashi, and also from the mayor. So very dramatic visuals here, Vedant, that we are showing you. The political drama on the streets of the national capital continues to intensify. We are in fact showing you how the scuffle also is right now going on between between the Delhi police and in fact the BJP workers here. You can see how one by one the BJP workers are being detained by the Delhi police. We already showed you the massive police deployment that was done here, and now one by one all of these BJP workers are being detained. What we are getting to know is that in fact the Delhi BJP president has already been detained, and now we are showing you the visuals of how in fact there was a scuffle. In fact what's going on between the Delhi police and the BJP workers. One by one the police is in fact detaining. So drama is what drama only intensifying here on the streets of the national capital, and certainly a similar scene is expected in a short while from now when the Aam Aadmi Party holds a similar protest on the streets of the national capital. So certainly the political back and forth, Vedant, the war of words, they continue to intensify on the streets of the national capital. Over to you.
That's right, Rishika. And the MCD meeting is also scheduled for today, where the BJP and the leader of the opposition in the MCD house, is set to corner the Aam Aadmi Party, which is in power in the MCD as well, as we witness the drama here. So from the streets to the house in the MCD, and also in Parliament, the BJP taking on the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, in fact, Vedant, as you rightly pointed out today, in fact, a session of the House is also scheduled to take place at around 2 p.m. And there, what we have already spoken, to the BJP councillors here is that they plan to corner the mayor over this entire issue, because they say that till this time, mayor has not given any answer as to why there was such a delay and why no action was taken previously when the MCD was aware that the coaching center was openly flouting the rules, and this in fact had caused the lives of 3 students now. So the BJP is certainly going to this issue in the MCD house, and we are expecting that ruckus will erupt on the floor of the house. But will a satisfactory answer as to why in fact no action was taken by the mayor, by the MCD, will that be given by the mayor today? That certainly remains to be seen, Vedant. Over to you.